Okay. See the question number 12. First, draw a x-axis and y-axis. So, 4.1 kilogram box is lifted vertically. Means the box is lifted at y-axis. So, the distance is 1.6 meter. Direction of force is to upward. The value is 60.0 Newton. And then the question asks you to calculate the work done by the applied force. So the work done, again, W is F cos theta. So for this case, theta is equal to 0, y0, because the direction of force is same direction of displacement. So angle is equal to 0. So you get the answer, 96 joule. For the work done by gravity, so gravity is downward, W is equal to mg. And then you just substitute the value, m, g, cos. How to identify angle? So the direction of displacement is outward, and then the direction of W is downward. So the angle is 180 degrees. And then times the S. S is equal to 1.6. So you get the answer negative 64 joule.